Welcome to 4th of July special, part 17. Yeah, it's 17.
You uploaded the videos?
Yeah.
Oh yes. Hey,
I'm the cameraman over here. Mad person. Mad person. Oh crap! Run away! Run! 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 Oh God, it's a mad girl! It's a mad man! Run away! It's a mad man! It's a mad girl! Ah! Run away! Ah! It's a mad person. Oh, shoot! Oh, you okay, Emery?
You alright?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, shoot! Hide me. Hide me. Oh, shoot! Okay, stop it now.
Oh,
wow.
Please stop.
Okay, are we gonna light it?
I don't know.
Are we gonna light it?
We have oh my God, quit it! Mad person.
But can I please get the flashlight?
No. Fine.
Don't hit it!
Ha. It's off. There's our fire. Where's my Sprite? Where's my Sprite?
We're about to light one.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I want to go inside.
What's out here?
Those things scare me.
Okay, we're here.
At
doing
part
another rocket.
17! Hey!
Be nice, please.
Come on. You guys can't really see it since. Okay. Ow.
You threw it at me. Is it hot, the pool?
Probably. Look at it.
It's white. I know.
It's burnt. Our pole is burnt.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Keep track of it.
I'm right here.
I got it.
I'm right here.
Oh, okay.
It didn't really do anything.
Put in two. Put in two. Maybe that will do something. Put in two.
That really didn't do anything. I got a full focus. It did not do anything.
Shine the light over here.
It's like way out there.
We got two.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. I need to get the infuses together.
Maybe it'll do something.
You gotta pull them off to the side, yeah.
There.
Twist them up a little bit. Try to. I know that the wish there's a little bit
Hold on.
longer.
Here. Hold those.
Please flash it on.